Hi, my name is Ms. Barber, and I am the instructor, or more like the guide for this course. I am introducing myself to you so that you can see that a real person teaches this course. I am a real live human person. You can see my office in the background. I normally make my instructional videos in my dining room. So you know what? My dining room is my recording studio. I am anticipating a good semester, and I'm looking so forward to reading your posts in the Intro to Class discussion assignment. A good question. What is Math 1190 Business Calculus? Business Calculus is a core math course designed primarily for the business major. This course has a prerequisite of technical algebra skills proficiency, which is satisfied with a C or better in either Math 1100 or Math 1180 or equivalent. How does online math work? Well, online math requires that you have a computer that is compatible with both Canvas and Newton. Your smartphone is not sufficient. You also must have high-speed, reliable internet access. Valid and trustable studies have shown, as you would expect, that stronger students with a record of success in college-level courses tend to perform better in an online class than they would in a face-to-face class. And as expected, the data have shown over and over again that weaker students tend to do much worse in an online course than they would in a face-to-face delivery method. Think about that carefully. You have until Friday to change from online to an open section of 1190 if at that time you decide a face-to-face is a better option for you. Our goal is to set up each student for success. That is why we offer both face-to-face and online options. We trust that you make the wiser choice for yourself. By the way, if you don't have time for face-to-face classes, you really don't have time for an online course either. Online success requires much more time and commitment than the equivalent of just attending lecture. Canvas. At UNT, we use the Canvas Learning Management System, or LMS. Think of Canvas as your 24/7 online classroom. Canvas houses your course information, including the syllabus and all other information you need for this course. We use Newton for our learning platform. Newton is a mastery-based adaptive learning platform. This is not a course delivery system. This platform is accessible only through Canvas. To get started, 1. Go to the Canvas dashboard, unt.instructure.com. Mark this page. 2. From the dashboard, select this course, Math 1190, Section 500. Now that we're in the course, select Home. This is the page that it typically opens up to. It is the first menu item located along the left-hand navigation of Canvas for this course. The value of this menu is the information along the right-hand navigation. You have a to-do list. Let's locate that. And you also have something called a Coming Up subtitle with assignments that are due very soon. You can click on those to get directly to the assignment. Now select the Modules tab. The Modules menu item is where you will live most of the time. What to do next? A good hint is the Start Here module, so let's start here. Read each page. A typical college student reads this entire module in about 30 minutes. Let me state again. Read each page, select the pages in order, and read them all. The first page is the course introduction. This page gives you information about Math 1190, Business Calculus. Now let's go back to Modules. Select Start Again. And from here we will pick the next page, which is Meet Your Instructor. This page gives you a little information about me. We will continue. The next page is Basics for Students New to Canvas. Even if you're familiar with Canvas, review and relearn the basics. Every question regarding Canvas that a student has asked me thus far since we adopted Canvas had already been answered here. This page includes 3 short videos. Watch them. This information has the potential to save you a lot of time and avoid unnecessary frustration. Next page is syllabus. Read this. You will see that the syllabus is not located here, but in the syllabus menu item along the left-hand navigation. Next page, expectations of online courses. A common misconception is that online courses are easier and/or lesser than face-to-face courses. This is just wrong. You are not selecting an easier version of a math course by any means. At this university and in this department, online courses have the exact same content as the face-to-face version with the exact same expectations, even the online homework. Let's continue looking through the pages of the Start Here module. Next page, Important Newton Mastery-Based Learning Platform. Open this page and access the 3 links in order. On the How Newton Works, be sure to read through everything and view the video before proceeding. The next page addresses academic integrity and netiquette. This is self-explanatory. The academic integrity portion explains the serious consequences of cheating. The next requirement gives you technical requirements and necessary skills. Read this. It's very important that you understand you must have your own laptop, tablet, or desktop that is compatible with both Canvas and Newton, and you must have high-speed internet access. Let's continue. The next page is where to get help. This is self-explanatory. Read the page. Following web accessibility and privacy, you need to read the page. Canvas quizzes and exams, password or access code. The quizzes and exams have passwords so that you do not accidentally begin a high-stakes exam or quiz. The process of keying in the password, which will be found by reading the page, makes you accessing a quiz or exam deliberate and intentional. The next 4 lines are assignments. Do them all before the posted due dates. These are intended to be easy and primarily to get you oriented and accustomed to Canvas prior to higher stakes assignments. Now we've got a few more module items, so let's go back to the modules page. Modules again. And I am going to collapse the Start Here. What you have next are instructions for written assignments, and this includes the student info form. You also have the information for Lockdown Browser and Respondus Monitor, which is required for all exams. The next one is supplemental videos and additional worked examples. These are, as the module suggests, extra videos and extra examples I provide to be supplemental to what is provided for you in instruction. Let's continue. Module 1, Limits, Continuity, and the Definition of the Derivative. The first one available is Module 1, Limits, Continuity, and I provide you some information on where you could access open source textbooks. Notice I hit Next previously. This gives you access to the student print notes. When you open the notes, you will see that as we go through them, you have blanks on a lot of these exercises. In the video, I will provide you instructions on how to solve them. Let's go back to modules one more time and summarize. The Start Here module, the instructions for written assignments, the Lockdown Browser. These first 3 modules are how you get started in the class. Then you have specific modules for each unit of content. This is where you get instructional information and access to your assignments. And finally, the first Newton assignment in Module 1. By the way, the only way to access Newton is through Canvas. Click on the assignment and you will be directed to enroll and pay. For a semester, the cost is $44. But if you have already paid for Newton Access in your 1180 course or are repeating this course and you have already paid for Newton Access, then you should not have to pay for anything. The assignment should not request a payment, may request other information though. Either way, after you are registered, the assignment will open. So let's summarize. The path is download the lesson notes, watch the video and complete, and then do the Newton assignment. If you decide that skipping the lesson will save you time, please understand you will easily double or even triple the time needed to finish a homework assignment. This is a higher level math class. You must understand the concepts to be able to solve the problems. Before you begin any coursework, go to the syllabus menu item in your Canvas module, select it. You should download the syllabus and read it carefully. This document is the contract which delineates what you must do to earn the grade you desire in this class. Let's glance at this. From the syllabus page, click on the link. Now we'll look at the syllabus. Let's note you are provided contact information. I do have physical office hours if you would ever like face-to-face help. Again, I am trusting you to read the syllabus. I'd like to call your attention to items written on page 2 and 3 of your syllabus. The first part is where it is stated expect no extra credit or bonus assignments. The letter grade that you receive in this class is determined solely and entirely by your performance on the evaluation components. There will not be any extra credit or bonus assignments, period. With that, let's continue down a little bit more. So I'm going to scroll on the syllabus. Consider the course requirements table. The table has 2 columns and 7 rows. The first row column labels the columns. The first column is titled Evaluation Components. The second, Course Grade Percentage. Let's read the table. Let's notice the sum total of the percentages for the course grade. The average of the module exams is 50%. Of the written assignments is 10%. Newton and any other additional work is 15%. 2% for engagement assignments like the Start Here confirmation quiz, the syllabus quiz, student information upload, lockdown browser quiz, and all discussions combined. The final exam is 25%, which should sum up to 100%. But guess what? The total percentage is 102%. There is already a 2% extra credit built in. Make sure you take advantage of this opportunity as no other bonuses will be given. The information I provide for you in the syllabus is crucial to your success. By posting it, it is understood that you will have read it and understand it completely. And now you are ready to begin. You should do so at the Start Here module.